Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from Flawless Beauty and Skin. I'm very fortunate to have nice skin from my Northern European heritage. However, sometimes with stress or acne, my skin can have an uneven tone. As you may already know, one of the best ways to achieve healthy and even skin tone is by adding a glutathione supplement to your routine. Many of my friends have been supplementing their glutathione intake with IV Glutathione. However, that is not available where I am in the United States. I've never been too big a fan of needles, so I have been using the Relumins 1650 Advanced White Glutathione capsules. I'm really excited because now there's a new way for me to supplement glutathione with the new Relumins Advanced Glutathione Oral-Vials. These come in a convenient set with the dropper and are so easy to use. To prepare the standard dosage, take our half milliliter dropper and fill it twice. You will then place both drops under your tongue and let sit for 5 minutes. The pleasing tangerine flavor makes this experience very enjoyable. This regimen should be done in the morning. If you wish to take a higher dosage, you will take it twice a day, once in the morning and again at night. When you order the set of the Relumins Advanced Glutathione Oral-Vials, it comes with the glutathione booster. The set really helps to quickly perfect your skin and maintain a glowing tone. It really seems like no matter what my skincare needs are, Relumins always has the answer. Thanks for watching! We're going to be doing lots of new videos on our exciting new products, so be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.